Withdrawing from eToro is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, make sure you have logged into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section on the left side of the platform. Here, you will see an overview of your investments and account balance. Next, locate the Withdraw Funds option, which is usually found at the bottom of the purchase screen. Click on this to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind that eToro may have a minimum withdrawal amount, so ensure that the amount you enter meets their requirements. After inputting the amount, click on Submit. Once your withdrawal request is submitted, it will be reviewed by eToro. This can take up to several business days, depending on various factors. You will receive a confirmation notification once your withdrawal is processed. It's essential to check your email and account notifications for any updates regarding your request. Lastly, remember that the withdrawal method you choose will impact how quickly you receive your funds. Options may include bank transfer, credit card, or PayPal, among others. Each method has its own processing times and fees, so look into these to avoid any surprises. With these steps, you can successfully withdraw your funds from eToro.